Good morning students. So today we will study a new topic that are creating a new folder. So in this topic we will study how we will create a new folder, and one more topic we will study creating a new files and renaming a files or folder. So these three things we will study. So let me uh, do for you the practical things. The first one is creating a new folder. So to create a new folder, the first step is in the navigation pane, click the folder in which you want to create a new folder. So first thing, I want to open the file explorer. So I explained to open the file explorer in the two ways. First one is you can press window button plus E button, and the second way is just press on window button and just click on this. You will get the options file explorer over here. You just see here file explorer. Okay, so next one is go to the navigation pane and navigation, click on the folder in which you want to create a folder. Suppose I want to create a folder in the download area. Okay, click on here. Next one, on the home tab in the new group, click new folder. This is the home group, and here, sorry, if I click on this, then wait, okay, on the home tab, on the home tab, in the new group, you just search new group. For where is new group? This call complete new group. You get a new folder. You got the option new folder. Click on this. When you click on this, then a folder appears in the content pane with a temporary name as new folder. So you can see here, this is the content pane. This complete area is called the content pane. In the content pane, you are getting a new folder and with temporary name, that means new folder. So you type a name for the folder and press enter button. Suppose I am pressing class 4th. Then I press enter button. Then this folder is created right now. So these are the steps. The first step, in the navigation pane, click the folder in which you want to create a new folder. Next step, on the home tab, in the new group, click new folder, and the third step, a folder appears in the contents, a pane with a temporary name as the new folder. Type a name for the folder and press enter button. So the folder is created. Next one is creating a new file. How you can create a new file? The same thing is here also. The same steps. In the navigation pane, click the folder in which you want to create a new file. Suppose this is the navigation pane, we know, and I want to create a new file in this folder. So I am clicking in this folder, that is class 4. Then the second step is on the home tab in the new group, click the new item. Just you click on this, you are the new group, and here are new item. Click on here. Then a list of various file types appears. You can see a list of various file types appears. Then click the type of file you want to create. Suppose I want to create a that means Microsoft Office content. I want to create a PowerPoint. I want to create a WinRAR file, then text document, the Excel file. So which type of files I want to create, I just click on that icon. So click the type of file you want to create. Suppose I want to create a Microsoft Office Word document. I clicked on here and just type the name, some examples. So these are the file names, some examples. So as you know that by the icon, this is the icon, by the icon you can understand that this is a Microsoft Word file. So as I earlier discussed with you that there are PowerPoint file, there are Excel, there are Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. So these are the files of Microsoft Office. These are the tools. So there are some inbuilt, there are some pre-listed icons. By seeing these icons, you can understand which type of files is this. So type a name for the new file and press enter button. You got the file. So these are the steps for making the files. Next one is renaming a file or folder. So how you can rename a file or folder? You can change the name of an existing file or folder according to its content. So giving a descriptive name to the files or folder makes it easier to find them later. To rename a file or folder, just first step is in the content pane, click the files or folder you want to rename. Suppose I want to rename these files. So what happened next one? On the home tab in the organized group, just click on home tab. These are tabs: file, home, share, view. These are the tabs. And organized group, just watch here. This is organized group. Click on rename. So here you got the rename option. Click on here, and just after that the step a text box appears around the file name. This text box is appear, and after that type the name and press the enter button. Suppose I want to change it with the new class, new file. So I want to give the name new file, then press enter button, then the file name is changed. So this is enough for you, because totally I have discussed the practical things, students. So you just revise at your home and do practicals, and also you will complete your copies. Thank you.